rocket launches. They're scientific, astronomical, experimental. Come on, that was good, right? No? Okay. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020, and today NASA and SpaceX are launching the Falcon 9 Dragon. Wow, this is the first manned rocket since 2011. That's nearly a decade. Well, here in the sunny west side of Florida, they're not really having the same luck on the most eastern side of Florida, where they're launching the rocket. You can see there's a bit of cloudage over there and mostly blue skies over here. It's a whopping 88 degrees outside, but I don't think that really matters. But I just wanted to say it because it's very hot out here. I got the live broadcast on right now, so I'm really excited. I'm hoping that we can actually see it with the camera, or actually just see it from this side of the state. I mean, it's going into space, so you would think we'd be able to see it. So let's hope, right? Huh? Well, unfortunately, the rocket launch has been scrubbed due to weather. Weather is the culprit. Darn you, weather. Really wanted to witness. Really wanted to see this today. The launch has been rescheduled for Saturday, May 30th at 3:22 p.m. Eastern Time. Well, let's just hope for the best that Saturday we're able to see a wonderful launch. Well, leave a like on this video if you haven't already, and comment down below as well where you think space exploration will take us in the next, let's say, decade. I mean, you gotta think, Elon Musk, that guy is brainstorming ideas. He is literally Albert Einstein of our generation, of our lifetime. Not only will there be a video on Saturday, but I'm gonna do a live broadcast as well. And if it's not the best of quality, it's probably because I'm shooting with my phone, most likely, and because I'm shooting the main video on the main camera, so that's probably why. But that doesn't really matter as long as we get to see the Falcon 9 Dragon launch into space. Yeah, that's a wrap.